Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze onion. Let's get to it. Okay, so here's the thing. Whole onions, even half onions, they don't freeze really well. So if you're gonna freeze onion or you wanna freeze your onions, you're gonna need to chop them up. Give them a mince, give them a dice. I have a few videos on how you can dice onions a few different ways, and they show you some tricks for chopping them up. Be sure to check those out. But you're gonna wanna chop up the onion first. That's really, really important. Once it's chopped, take it and lay it out on a baking sheet. You know, it's okay if they touch a little bit, but you wanna make sure it's a nice even layer. Don't just pile it on there. And then take that baking sheet and store it in the freezer. Leave it in there for at least for a few hours, even overnight. The next day, take those onions out from the baking sheet and then transfer them to a freezer safe bag or container. Just be sure to write the date on whatever you use to transfer it to. Stored this way, onions can actually keep in the freezer for up to 8 months. They will degrade over time, so the earlier you can use them, the better, but they will actually stay fresh for up to 8 months. When you're ready to use them, just go ahead and toss them in like you would regular onions. So you can add them to warmed up butter or oil, whatever, however you cook with them, they'll work just fine. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, hey, drop a comment down below. And if you'd like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. See you next time. Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to... I'm going to start over. Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to start over one more time. Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. I'm in... Kitty. Kitty, kitty. Don't rub that. Don't go. Okay.